Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube channel private using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for youtube.com. And once you've done that, you want to click on your profile here at the upper right corner of the YouTube website. And now you want to click on YouTube Studio. And then let's just wait. And now, once you can see this, just go ahead and click on settings here at the lower part here and click on channel. Then advanced settings and scroll down until you see manage YouTube account. Go ahead and click that. So this process really takes a while, but it really depends on your internet connection. Now you want to click on view advanced settings right here, this one. And then here you want to click delete channel. But don't worry, this process won't delete your channel, okay? Later on, YouTube will give you a options. Okay, so just trust the process. And now you just want to enter your password. And then now you want to click on I want to hide my channel. And now here you can just go ahead and choose or check in these boxes. So here the following will be made private until you re-enable your channel. So your channel name, your likes, your subscriptions to other channels, subscribers to your channel. So if you want that, just go ahead and check that. So here the following will be permanently deleted, your comments made on YouTube videos, your replies on YouTube comments. So if you want to permanently deleted those, just go ahead and check this box. And then here your data on other Google properties will not be removed. So just go ahead and check that and click hide my channel. So here, this will make your entire channel private, including all your videos, playlists, likes, and subscriptions. Your comments will be permanently deleted and it cannot be restored. So if you are sure about your action, just go ahead and click on hide my content. As you can see here, it's updating and now channel hidden. So you're all finished. Please allow some time for your channel to be hidden across the site. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you at the next one and have a great day.